Welcome to JJ with Joy. I wanted to share the flip through of my Christmas ephemera eating journal that I did for the collaboration. So there's one, today's the last day, and so Sweet Pea Papers did this collaboration, and it was Crafty Christmas in July 24. And between July 1st and July 31st, if you posted a picture and put the hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 24 in the Sweet Pea Papers and or you didn't have to do one, or you could do both, whatever, the Junk Journal tutorials and more Facebook groups. So you get one entry for everything that you post. So this is your last day. There's going to be 25 collaborators that did this, and there's going to be a drawing, 100 videos or more. And these wonderful people have shared their gift of, digitals. And thank you very much to all of these folks. So let's get into it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. I put some eyelash trim just to kind of jazz it up for Christmas on the outside. I'm going to move that out of the way for now. The spine, I just put this pretty. Let me show you the top and the side and the bottom. Lots of love on this page, this stuff here. So let's just start. I took one of Tim Holtz's wallpaper wallpaper pieces anyway, and I made it a little bit thicker. I put like layers and layers under it and cut around it, added some shine sparkle. There's some underneath this, you can see that there's some of this nice, it looks like snow. So I thought this is some bedspread from back my childhood era, and I have mica stain that I added to the front here to make it look like broken glass, and some of Tim Holtz's new tape. I added a little bell with a string on it. I just clipped on a little piece of fabric in there. This has underneath part of the song music page from Tim Holtz. A lot of this is Tim Holtz. You can just see all of the details here. This is a pocket, and there's like layers and layers and layers of different things. That's my thing. I love to layer. And this side, it looks like a pocket, but it's really not. I just put it on there to be pretty, and I really like the way it looks. I kind of wanted the background to stay. Scooting on this page, I added a little leaf. I added 2 ties here that you will just undo. And I did glue the knots. I think I caught them all anyway. So this will pop open. And then in here, I have a little Christmas tree layering the puppy dog with the person. They have to stand on something, so I put them on some of this. We have the sleigh ride ticket. Since we have the puppy here, I thought I'd put the puppy there too. I like this fabric. This is like layers. It's parchment paper layers. So there's a little Christmas something there. Oops, let me see if I can get this out. It wants to go twist. So this is like gift wrap made into an envelope, and inside it, we are like snowflakes, all different in our own beautiful way. So I put postcard there, a little bit of Tim Holtz ephemera. Oopsie. Come on, get out of the way. You can do it. I think that goes in actually a little farther if I get it in the right spot. There it is. And there's 2 layers there, so I stuck it on the second layer. So I'll do that in a minute. But back over here, I made this kind of my gold shiny page. I had altered these photographs in the background. They took it in front of a mirror. It's an original photograph from 1956. Have some little snowflakes, little Christmas cheer there, eyelash trim. But there was a mirror behind it. I coffee dyed it. I crunched it up, coffee dyed it, and I'm reusing. I sewed around it. I like how this sticks up I don't know if you guys even noticed that, but it sticks up there. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. This side, I did a magnet, so this will come up. It just pops down, as you can see. But under here, I just added little parts and pieces and stuck him under there and put that over there. And down here, all is calm. And then I have just layer and layer and layer and a little washi tape up there. So moving on to this side, I just have a little white pin. This was some, I thought, pretty gaudy trim, so I stuck it there. Little stamp. This is some of Tim Holtz's wallpaper as well. I put Merry Christmas 2024 on there. And we open up, this is one of his, Tim Holtz's images as well. I put a little Christmas tree. This hangs off and swings a little bit. And then I put a little piece of fun over there. Washi tape. Turn the page. We have Santa's list. Little washi there. Wallpaper, again. This is rust dyed fabric. And I put this cute little girl, have her standing on some fibers. My nose just took off itching like a crazy woman. On this side, there's a little tag here. There is fabric, and this tag, so it's double tagged. So this tag has a Tim Holtz stuff all over it, and I did add a little bit of blanket stitch across the top of that, which I thought added quite a bit of lovely to it. Turn the page there. I love, this is like my favorite page here, guys. And it's not because it says, oh joy. It really isn't. I just love it. I think it is beautiful. I think it's got a lot of color, and it just goes, pop goes the weasel. You know, it's just, it's pretty. So let's see what we got. We got fabric, shiny fabric, little gold trim. This is a piece of fabric. Let's pick this up so we can see what all's under here. 2 layers of fabric there. Oh, is that attached? Oh, yes, it is. This is a joyful washi tape. This washi, what do you call that? Eyelash trim. And this comes out, little tag. Put that in there. And then this tag comes out. And I did some glossy accents on that, which I thought is beautiful. It says, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. I just stuck that on the back because I could. And we flip the page. You see the little guy hanging over here. I love this stamp now. And if you guys know where you can get this stamp, I want this stamp really bad. It says Santa Post, North Pole, December 25th. And it has, I got it in a swap. This they had stamped it on a page, and I saved it, but I want it really, really bad. Love it. It's so cute. So I added this to jazz up the page, the 25. We have a couple buttons down here. Let's see if I can get them to swing and hang a little bit there. So I added a couple buttons on the edge there, a couple fabrics, and then the gingerbread men, I thickened him up. I have a punch that has the gingerbread, and so I just used liquid pearls and made that all pretty, and then I made it thick enough that it wouldn't like give away in there. Over here is a picture I think I got off of the internet. It's like a Salvation Army type of thing. I don't know, it's probably not Salvation Army, but sort of kind of thing. Walking in a Winter Wonderland. I put some hand sewing here, 2 different kinds of fabric, and Pop, I think he's cute just hiding behind there. This was about gingerbread recipes, so I thought, what's the little story with the gingerbread? They got put in the oven by the Wicked Witch or whatever it was. I don't know. Is that supposed to be there? Did I put that there? I didn't put that there. I did not put that there. Oh my goodness. I guess it's going to be there, but it's not supposed to be there. I don't want it there. One moment. No, I don't want it there. Let me glue that back down. Sorry. One moment, please, while I do flippy through maintenance. Gotta have maintenance, right? Maybe I put it there. But if I did, I don't know why I would cover up the house, because the house is awful cute, isn't it? Maybe I meant for it to be like here. I could cut that little edge off and put it over there. I'll see. Anyway, there's the back of it. We have, I love this ticking fabric. I really do. And that hangs up above, you know. This is my second favorite little page. I love the door. I tried to make that look like a wreath. It has the green shimmer shine. I don't know if you can see the shimmer shine sparkle on that. And December, and I tried real hard to show the 25th, but it wouldn't. I used a piece of burlap and I sewed around the edges of it, and it ended up looking like a mat, and I love how it turned out. I really do. This is some washi tape over top of fabric. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I sewed buttons on to make it all yummy there. There's a little thing hanging here. This is attached inside, but this comes out with a little piece of Timmy Holtz tape. There's some glitter tape there. I'm gonna have that stick off of that. And I glued that knot down so it would stay down there. Let me stay in frame here. Over here we have washi, and then we have the candy cane. These two little pieces of fabric are attached under the candy cane. I put that on. This is wallpaper behind. This is the Tim Holtz Christmas paper last year, and I just put a couple of these on for fun to stick in that little pile. Hand sewed around there, stuck a little tab up here. This is some washi tape, and I just added a thing. This is washi tape as well. Rolling up the edges makes it look so yummy. And on the other side, I actually put this approved and stamped a Santa Claus on there. I love this image. Can you tell I just love the book? I'm so sorry. I keep saying I love everything, but I really do. Oh my. These ladies look like they're having a day of skiing, and I put a piece of acetate over the picture. It's got the Tim Holtz frame and just words and fabric button tag. Well, I keep trying to call this washi, y'all. You know it's not. Oh my goodness. And I looped around there and put the, that fun little zigzaggy stuff on there. Over here, I added this on as a tab, and this is a piece of washi across. And then here I put layers. This is another image off of the internet, which I thought was cute. Some little girl given to whatever it is, Volunteers of America. A couple pieces of fabric there. And I don't know if you noticed, I forgot to point it out, but there's like fancy stitching on several of the pages. So this was an image and I wrote Merry Christmas and stamped it. A couple fabrics and another image there. Little kind of pocket. And, oh, see, this has got a stitching. Can you see the stitching there? Yummy stitching. And then this, I thought this looked like Christmas lights. Is that all of the stitching I had, I think? There might have been one other. No, I just did the zigzag there. I guess that's it. Okay, and the last and back, I signed it here. I have a snowflake. This had snowflakes on it down here, so I decided to add a little snowflake charm on a blue. The blue kind of went with the blue and the gold. And it says Frosty Snowflake Cafe. So that is it. I sure hope you like it. The pieces are falling off. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and I would love to see more from you. Subscribe if you would, and ring the bell. You'll get notifications, but if you choose all, you will get everything that I post, and it will be, oh, I got to tie those other two things up, but that's all right. Anyway, share it if you like, though, and subscribe, ring the bell, choose all. There you go. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy. Have a great day, guys.